For many people, credit cards appear to be equal to some kind of free money. You get given a wodge to spend, usually hundreds of pounds, maybe to buy a holiday or a new outfit. You can pay it back later. You enjoy it. It's only a year or so down the line that you realise you have to pay it back, but more often than not at a much higher rate. The government now wants to step in to give consumers a better deal and stop unfair credit card practices. Now, ideas being proposed include a ban on companies increasing your limit without your say-so and making people pay off the most expensive debt first. At the moment, credit and store card firms make you pay off your cheapest debt first. Companies are also accused of making their terms and conditions far too complicated. Here's Consumer Affairs Minister Kevin Brennan.
What we're suggesting today is that we need to make those things far more transparent. If there's a 0% interest rate offer, you need to know that when you pay something back on your card, it just doesn't go on paying off the 0%, it goes on paying off your higher cost debts that are on your card.
The UK Cards Association hasn't reacted too kindly to the consultation, saying that the measures could disadvantage more customers than it would protect.